DZ team, yo, what's going on? If you're new here, my name is Z, also known as Jacob Zamora. I run Drop Zone Tactical. I am a U.S. Army combat vet, also prior paratrooper in Alaska, and now I do private security. So today's video, we're going to talk about an add-on to the last video, talk about having 2 firearms in your bedroom. And now we're going to talk about how this applies. I'm going to show you a small scenario of how to apply those. So let's get right into this video. Alright guys, not to waste too much of your time today, I'm going to go into the room. I'm going to have all my stuff set up like I normally do, and then we're just going to go into a scenario of basically clearing my own house in a sense with the 2 firearms and how it applies. So let's just jump right into this video and let's get moving. Hey, you hear that at the door? Yeah. Need the rifle. Alright, so now we made it back into the room. Always unloaded for these dry fire drills. Let's put that there. So now you can kind of see why I'm talking about how it plays out and having 2 firearms in the room. You can start with your quickest firearm and then you move into your bigger rounds as needed. So hopefully that all made sense for you. I didn't want to make this video too long. I just wanted to give you some visuals to what I said in my 3 tips to secure your home. If you haven't checked out that video, go check it out right now, and appreciate you for watching this video. I'll see you guys in the next one. Thank you for joining this small, quick video.